The concept of work is defined as the dot product between the force and the distance acting on that, the distance that the force pushes the object. And by definition of dot product, we know that this is the magnitude of the force times the magnitude of the displacement times the cosine of the angle between them. So for part A, we are given that we have a force of 210 newtons, and this force is acting on 18 meters, and there's an angle between the force and the displacement of 30 degrees. So if we multiply these out, we get about 3.3 times 10 to the third joules. Remember that we use significant digits, so we use scientific notation a lot of times to do significant digit considerations. For part B, the work, which is, as always, a dot product between the force and the distance, can also be given as the x component of the force times the x distance plus the y component of the force times the y distance. This is the other definition of the dot product. And since we're given the components of the distance and the force in the problem, we can say this is 160 newtons. The x component is 14 meters, that's the I part, plus a negative 40 newtons times a positive 11 meters. And notice that we have a Newton meter, which is a joule. That's the unit. And if we do these and add them up, we get 1.8 times 10 to the third